Maths YouTube channel. Now, in the last video, I do the grade 7, the second lesson sets. Now, the so many guys request to me, please doing this. Now you look the title, what is that? Now for a long time ago, I doing the grade 7 ninth lesson. That's the angles. Grade 7 ninth lesson angles. Now, that request is doing that exercise 9.3 and 9.4. Now, the both two exercise I doing in the one video. Now in this today video I am doing the grade 7 9th lesson angles, the exercise 9.3 and 9.4. So now let's see, move for the first one, the exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3. Okay. So now let's see, move for that. Now what is the first question? Write down the magnitude of each angle using the given figure. Now, they have a figure, no? They have a figure to understand this. The figure is this. Now, in the page number 99, this one, this figure. Now, if you have the textbook you can identify that. Now, write down the magnitude of each angle using the given figure. Now, what is the first question? The first one. The x, y and z. Now, they have x, y, z angle. To identify that. Now, what is that? Now, x, y, z is, you consider in that figure. This now in there have x, there have y and there have z. Right? There have c, there have d, there have v. And there have the a and z. Like that. Now x, y, z in there. Now x, y, z. Now what is this line? In the protractor you call the baseline. Now baseline is 180 degrees. Now 180 degrees one. Now I write the magnitudes one by one. Now x, y, z. Now z, y, a. X, y, c. B, y, z. X, y, b. C, y, z. X, y, a. And lastly, z, y, d. Now, they have 8 magnitudes. Okay. Now, ZYA. Considering that figure again, what is the ZYA? Now, Z in there, Y in there, A in there. Now, this angle, ZYA. Now, how much that? ZYA. Now, Z to Y line have 180. See the second one. Now, the Z to Y have 180. And Y to A, now they are considering the 180 in there, 160 in there. So, you want to subtract this and come the answer 20. Or you can check in there. The secondly have another one that given magnitudes and 0, 10, 20. Now 20 degrees. Okay. X, Y, Z. This is X, this is Y and this is C. Now X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Now you consider this now 0, The C is in 90. What is that? Now XY and C in there. Now they have right angle. No? Now what is the magnitude? 90 degrees. Fourth one BYZ. Now B in there, Y in there, Z in there. Now considering that BYZ, right? BYZ. Now they are having the second line 60 degrees. Now these are the right magnitudes. Okay? Right magnitudes. Now the fifth one XYB. XYB. They are in X, they are in Y, and they are in B. Now this obtuse angle considering what? 120. 120. Okay. So now the sixth one is the CYZ. Now you get C, Y, Z. CYZ. CYZ also 90 degrees. That is also a right angle. Seventh one XYA. XYA. That is a very big obtuse angle. Now considering that they have 160 degrees. The last one in the first question, the ZYD. ZYD also they have 160. Now the XYZ is 180 degrees, ZYA 20 degrees. Now 180 degrees means a straight angle. ZYA 20 degrees acute angle, XYZ 90 degrees right angle, BYZ 60 degrees acute angle, XYB 120 degrees obtuse angle, CYZ 90 degrees right angle, XYA 160 degrees obtuse angle, ZYD 160 degrees obtuse angle. Now you don't write that. I give that examples for you to identify. Okay, then exercise 9.3, the first question finished. So now let's move for the second question. What is the second question? Draw each of the angles below on a square rule paper. Measure and write the magnitude of each angle. In the second question, now they are given 4 angles. Okay. Now we have only protector and that. Protector and that. Okay. Okay, now let's consider that. Now you get the textbook and you want to get the protector to find the magnitude of angles, and let's keep that now. This line, keep the point in there. How much is come? 40. Now, in the second question, the first one is 40 degrees and that is acute angle. Okay, so let's identify the second figure. Now, what is the second figure? Now this one. If you keep that in this, into upside down. What's the measured one? 60 degrees. And 60 degrees also acute angle. And the third one is this big figure. Now you keep that the point in there. What? 90 degrees. That's mean that is the right angle. Now the last figure is this. Keep the point in there and measure. How much come? 120. And that is obtuse. And now that is the answer for the second question. Now if you can draw these angles in a square rule paper and measure it. You can do that. Okay, right? So now let's see move for the third question. That is the last question in the exercise 9.3. Draw the following figures in your exercise book. Measure and write down the magnitude of each of the angles indicated by the English letters. Now in there, they have the figures. Now, first one, given like this, AB. Right? Now the second one, given like this. This is C, this is D. And the third one, given E and F. Fourth one, this is H, this is D. Okay. Now you want to measure this. Now, I give the method to you that measure and I give the correct magnitude that in the page number 100 in your textbook. The third question, the first one. Now I give the correct magnitude in the textbook that I measure and I give the correct magnitude in that given in the textbook. Now I draw these figures to your identification. Now in the first figure, the A, if you keep like this line and this line keep correctly and you have the A is 33. Now these are the correct one. Now in the board they have 30. But in the textbook they have 33, the correct magnitude. Now we upside down that and keep. Upside down and keep and measure. Now the correct measurement is B is 22. Now if you check that, you also have these method, these magnitudes. Second figure, the C, keep the circle like this and you have come the 47. C is 47 degrees. And how much come D? D, you want to keep like this to this angle. To this angle and keep it. And comes to you 58. These are the correct magnitudes. I'll ask you also say. The third one, the E and F. Now E you keep that to this side. That's one come 150. 115 degrees. The F1 also you can keep it this side. Keep that and have 65. The G, you know G is 90 degrees because that is a right angle. H you want to keep in this side, upside down, and measure it. You have the correct method, 133 degrees. Right? These are the correct magnitudes. In the page number 100 in your textbook. Okay. So the exercise 9.3 discussing is finished. Now I say in this video I do the exercise 9.4 also. Okay. Now let's move for the exercise 9.4. In the 102 page have the exercise 9.4. The 9.4, the first question, draw the following angles. The first one ABC 48 degrees, PQR 90 degrees, KLM 130 degrees, XYZ 28 degrees. Very easy. You can choose the protractor and whether you can check it. Now I have the protractor and now I have the protractor. ABC 48 degrees. Now in that, the first question, the first one, get a line in this and have like this. I think I want to get that in bigger. Okay, now you can get the ABC first. ABC is 48 degrees, the first one. Right? This is the first one. ABC is 48 degrees. Right? Now keep the protractor in this and draw a line. And keep it in this point. And you want to get the 48 very correctly like this. And you can nextly join these two. And you can name this 48 A. This B is the in this vertex C. Like this. Second one, the PQR is 90 degrees. Very easily you can get the 90, get the 0, get the point. Draw the 90 PQR. Third one, KLM is 130. KLM is 130. Fourth one and the last one is in there, XYZ is 28. You can get the KLM is 130. Get the line, keep that in there and 130 in there and join these two and named it as 130 KLM. Lastly, XYZ, get the line, keep the line and keep the point. 28 degrees in there, get that 28 XYZ. Now guys, you can draw like this, the grade 7 guys. In your exercise book, that have very big. Now in the whiteboard is small. Okay, in the exercise 9.4, the first question is finished the discussing. Alright, so let's move for the second question. Okay, so what is the second question? Second question, the first one. Draw a straight line segment and name it PQ. Let's redraw. Draw a line. You can get the ruler. Draw a line and name it as PQ. Right? The second one, draw the arm PR such that QPR 82 degrees. What is that? PR such the QPR. Draw the arm PR such that QPR 82. Yes. QP. Now vertex is this. And 82 degrees get 82 in there. 82. And so you can get the arm like this and R. QPR 82. Draw the arm QS. QS such that PQS. PQ. Now this is the vertex S. Is 43. Now you get 43 in there. And they are given, draw from that line. A triangle. A triangle. A triangle that had. Now in there, use R like this. Okay, the second question finished. Let's move for the third question. What is the third question? The first one, draw any triangle you like and named it A, B, C. Draw it. Draw it. The third question, first one, I draw a triangle like this. I draw a triangle like this and I named it as A, B, C. Alright. Now in the second one, they are given measure ABC. BCA, CAB. Magnitudes. The ABC is the B is the vertex. Keep the position and have the ABC is 70 degrees. In my BCA, the vertex is there. Keep the in this side. They are also 70. They are also 70. CAB. CAB 40. That is small. All are add 0, 7, 7, 14, 14, 4, 18. 180 degrees. The third one, obtain the value of ABC plus BCA plus CAB using the measured values. This is the third one. How correct? That. Okay, if the answer is mistake or something going that can't write in that, you can pause the video and check that. Now the fourth one, draw two straight line segments KL and XY so that they meet each other at Y. Now in that the fourth one, the first one. Okay, I draw a line, draw a line, draw a line. Draw a line and KL and XY. Second one, measure and write down the magnitudes of KYX. Plus XYL. This is L. Now KYX. KYX you can measure. That's come 45. XYL comes 135. Is 180 degrees. These are very easy questions. You can identify. Alright. The fifth one, as given in the figure, draw two straight line segments AB and CD so that they intersect each other. Draw. Let's see draw. But they are given two lines. Like in this. And they are want to intersect. Right? Intersect to each other. Intersect and AB and CD. AB, CD. As they are intersect each other. E and doing here. Measure and write the magnitudes of APC. The second one, APC, CPB, DPD, DPA. And now the APC. Firstly, APC, keep the line in there. 65. Sorry, 55. 55. CPB, keeping this. Measure 1. 120. 125. And they are intersect means these are also same one. DPD, DPDS. These are also same one. Now is the intersected ones. The first two magnitudes are 55 and 125. The other intersected ones are also same one because they are vertically opposite to each other. Write the relationship between APC and BPD. APC and BPD. They are intersected each other. Intersected each other. APC, BPD equal to APC. 55 equal to 55. The fourth one also same one. The same to third question answer. Same to the third question answer. You can write they are intersected each other. CPB equal to DPA. 125 equal to 125. Okay, so fifth question also finished. Now let's see move for the last question in the exercise 9.4. Exercise 9.4. What is the last question? The sixth question. Dasun says that the angle in figure 2 is larger than the angle in figure 1. Do you agree? Explain your answer. Now what is that? Then the sixth question. Now M, K, L have, this is the fig 1, and P, Q, R have, this is fig 2. Dasun says that the angle in figure 2 is larger than the angle in figure 1. Do you agree? Explain your answer. Now, is you agree? Do you agree to this? Now, let's see. Measure that. Have, this is 38 degrees. And this one, correctly 45. The textbook also, these magnitudes have. I give these magnitudes, all are in the textbook magnitudes, not in the whiteboard magnitude. Right? So, the textbook magnitude is the correct one. Now, what is the answer you can get? Agree. Yes. KL and QR lines are horizontal. This is the first reason. And another reason is the PQ line is more vertically up to than MK line, or you can say these two are arms, like this. Now you won't write this. PQ arm is more vertically up to than MK arm. KL and QR lines are horizontal. These two reasons is to agreement. Explain. Okay. Now the exercise 9.3 and 9.4 exercises are finished into this lesson. So I do the exercise 9.5 also in a video. So have a nice day. Bye guys. Next video coming soon. Have a nice day. Bye.